not only are you and I and the 6.5 going to Google Cloud Next and Cloudera Evolve, but we are also going to be virtually attending Ignite. So first off, Monday, right, will be at Google Cloud Next. Not only will there be all of those announcements that you would expect from Google, but also there's a lot of analyst meetings that we're going to be at, and of course the 6.5. I'm looking forward to Google really coming out and giving even more definition on an area that they land and expand, and that is machine learning and analytics. It's funny, Daniel, I talk to probably one big enterprise a week, not as much as some other analysts we know who might talk to 100 in a day, so I hear. But
bullshit.
but typically what they tell me, and it's weird, like they all use Google Cloud, but they only use them for analytics and ML. I don't mean only. I mean, that's a big deal. But when it comes to SAP, when it comes to VMware, when it comes to basic rudimentary workloads, those are typically going into Azure or SAP. So I'm really looking forward to that. Cloudera Evolve, heck, 6.5 is going to be there too. We're going to be meeting with senior executives. I will be actually kicking off Evolve, but don't let that be a reason that you're not going to attend. You need to go there. So there used to be an event called Strata that a lot of the data companies used to attend. I consider this the new Strata conference. And what you're going to learn about are ways to gain enterprise value through data. So if that's you, sign up, and I think you'll like it. Ignite, right? Microsoft's version. Why are Ignite and Google Cloud Next on the same day? It's maddening, right? Couldn't TK contact somebody or vice versa and make that happen? But I'm looking forward to all things new from Azure, all things new from Power Platform. And I think we'll also get some surprises on the operating system front.
Yeah, so you hit it pretty well, Pat. I'll add a couple of things and try to keep us here on time. I mean, first of all, very excited. The 6.5 will be crushing it at both Google Cloud Next and at Cloudera Evolve. Love Microsoft Ignite. Glad to see the analyst conference back in person. Can't wait to get there next time. We need to figure out a time travel situation, Pat, for you and I. Because also our firm will be at IFS Unleashed, which is a really kind of cool up and comer in the ERP space as well. I could be literally at 4 events same week. In terms of, I know, and Pat, we could do more. That's the sad thing. Like, there's probably more. I'm really excited.
In fact, I'm going to add an event that I didn't even put on here that I should have, and that was T-Mobile's analyst event, where I think I'm going to be seeing 2 of your employees.
2 of my colleagues, yeah, will be there, and I should be there as well, but I can't make it because of other commitments. Unfortunately, not only more events, but moving events around has caused a lot of conflicts.
Yeah.
T-Mobile's great to see they're having an analyst conference. So much going on, Pat. Excited on the Google Cloud front. A lot of innovation and announcements there, right ahead of Oracle Cloud World, ahead of reInvent, and now Ignite. We got all the cloud players that are going to come out with all their big innovation over the next few weeks. Super excited about that. Pat, the Cloudera event, like I said, I like how you kind of used it as a comparative. There's events that talk about new technology, and there's events that talk about the application of technology. And I think you're even going to do the opening, little keynote there. So I will be there with you.
Kind of a mini keynote.
I will be there. Oh, hold on. Let me just say what I'm going to say. I'm going to be there because we're going to be doing the 6.5, talking to the executives at Cloudera, IBM, and others. But I will be in the front row heckling you because I'll be like, Pat, are we connecting the back end to the front end already? Because that's what's got to happen, right? I mean, we really got to talk about that in a hybrid data fabric. How do we connect the back end to the front end so that companies can get better insights? I mean,
that is exactly. I mean, you nailed it. In fact, next year, I think you need to be up here. And I don't even consider it a keynote. I really consider it MC plus, right?
No.
Kind of a table setter, here's what you should be doing during this. But I don't know. Maybe I worked on a script last night in the car coming back from the airport. I
You're
don't
going
know.
to crush it.